What's going on, guys? It's Nicole Charnel. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to hit 5K and I need your help. Also, follow me on Instagram. There I post healthy, intentional living tips and more about my businesses. Now, back to the video. And this is vlog number 1 of my vacation. Basically, I'm just going to vlog going on vacation with my family. I'm just going to vlog the process. I'm actually super tired. Like, my energy level is really low. So today's Saturday, and I worked today. So it's actually 5:30 in the afternoon. I worked today. I am super tired, but I want to finish everything, like packing up the car, putting all, everything in the car, making sure everything is set and ready before I go ahead and go to sleep, because we're going to actually travel at night, which is something we usually do because we have younger kids, me and my sister. So my kids are 10 and 8, and then she actually has a 10 and 8 and a 2-year-old. So, especially with the 2-year-old, we would rather travel when the babies are sleeping. So we're going to try and travel at night. So we're going to leave in the middle of the night, like 2 or 3 in the morning. So because of that, I pretty much have to get everything together, get everything in the car, and then I'll basically go to sleep and then wake up to drive again. So, yeah, I'm tired already and I don't have much to do. Packing is done. I just need to do my toiletries, which I'm actually going to probably get in the shower first, so then I can make sure everything is done and packed, all that. I'm going to do that, pack up my car, have that all ready, and then I'm gonna go ahead and lay down and go to sleep until it's time to drive. So this is a fun family vacation for us. It's just everybody. It's my mom, my dad, my sister, her family, and 2 of my aunts. So we're just basically going to a house, and we're going to a staycation basically in another state. So we're super excited about it. We've been to this house previously before, and we're going back again because it was so great. Like, it was the best house we've ever stayed at. Like, renting wise, it was so nice. The pool was nice and the location was great and the house itself was great. So we wanted to do it again, especially since the pandemic is still in full force. It's like pandemic part 2 at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and get started because I'm hoping to be in the bed by like 7, but I still want to do my nails, and like I said, pack up the car and like get in the shower and stuff. So let's get going.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my red.
Alright, so it is 6 o'clock. It's literally been about 30 minutes and pretty much finished. Literally just have my toiletries, but I'm gonna get in the shower and then like pack up my toiletries and then put them in my bag, so I know I have everything, because I'm like I'm gonna go through the process, bag it up as I go, and all that. So, which I did this morning as well. So like, I bagged up my skincare already for what I usually use in the morning, and then what I'm gonna use right now is what I usually use at night. And I'm gonna do that, do my skincare routine, and bag that up. And yeah, I actually think I'm going to, since I'm pretty much just gonna take like a nap, like if I get into bed at like 8 and then we leave at 2 in the morning, that's, what is that, 8 to 12 is 4 hours, and then 2, that's 6 hours. So basically when we're traveling overnight and then we're getting there in the morning and then we're going somewhere before we like go to our destination. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower. I decided not to pack the car just yet because it is so hot today. Like today, I think it got up to like mid-90s today. So right now it's cooling down a little bit, but it's still super hot. And then I have some food items, so I want to wait to put them in the car until it gets all cool. So I might pack the car like right before we go instead of pre-packing it, which is not something I particularly want to do, but it's okay. It'll be fine. Oh, I just thought of something I want to take. I want to take my diffuser with me. All right, guys, it's 8:16. It's 8:16. A couple minutes late. I just finished my nails. They're just press-ons. Cute little nail set. I'll actually link the nail tech that I got them from. I'll link her down below. Love her stuff. She does press-ons and she does actual full sets, I guess is what they're called. Anyway, so I don't know what it is. It's obviously a girl thing. When you go on vacation, you want to get your nails done and your toes done and everything else done. Everything on appointment you can make, you want to book these things. But I bake a lot, so like there's no point in me getting, I'm like moving my hands more. There's no point in me getting like a full set because I bake so much. So I just get press-ons and they're super easy. These ones are custom, so they're a little more expensive than the average price, but like average price is still like 20 bucks for a set that you can just usually buy from someone. So anyway, that's what I usually do, but these ones I got custom. So yeah, I'm about to lay down. Like I said earlier, I am super tired. I did not pack the car. It's actually kind of the sun is actually going down already, so it's probably cooling down outside. So I probably could pack the car real fast. I probably could pack the car real fast. Actually, I think I'm gonna do that. Let's go do that.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm sitting a little high on you. Still a little high on you. For so long I've been thinking that.
Alright guys, that's it for this vlog. I finished packing the car and then we got on the road a few hours later. But you guys will see more of these vlogs for the rest of my vacation. I pretty much filmed the whole thing, so I definitely wanted to share with you guys, even though this is a couple months ago. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see more of the videos. Check out any other videos by me that are linked on the screen. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next one. Bye.
To see where this is going, I really need